Hey everyone! Let's see how you can safely burn tokens, close tokenized to rent them. Let's start by heading over to Jumpbit.io. On the left navigation bar, scroll to the bottom and under Manage Wallets, select Wallet Cleaner. Connect the wallet you want to clean. After connecting your wallet, Single mode is automatically selected with the default configurations. You can change them anytime. Next, click Scan Assets to load all the tokens in your selected account. You can see all your assets are now loaded. USDC is verified and disabled by default, so it can't be closed by mistake. Now, select the tokens you want to close or burn. Next, click Recover Amount and confirm the transaction in your connected wallet. You'll now see the Solana transaction log, where you can track each transaction happening on-chain. Now, confirm the next transaction. The second transaction should appear in the log shortly after. Wait a few more seconds, and the final transaction should also be completed. The number of transactions depends on how many assets you're closing from your account. The final transaction is now confirmed, and as you can see, the process is complete. You can also view all the transactions for your account on Solscan. For a tutorial on cleaning multiple wallets, check out our other video on the channel.